going on?
I just need a couple dollars for gas.
Okay, because people are out here worried about you, that you're out here screaming, dear.
Yeah, if they were worried, they would not talk to me personally one day.
Yeah, but that's not how it works down here, dear.
If they were really worried, they come talk to me.
You're right, but that's not how it works out here because you're in
I
Key
know,
West.
I know.
Where you?
Someone told me to come do this.
Where you? Hey, where are you from?
For me.
Where are you from?
Who cares?
I care. So
And
what?
don't worry, I won't be here much longer. I'm gonna go home.
Okay, so what's going on tonight, dude?
I'm just trying to get some gas, my friend. Get out to the boat.
To get out to the boat? Where's your boat at?
It's not mine.
It's not your boat.
It's not mine. It's not even for me.
Okay.
It's not even for me.
But see how I'm talking to you and you're kind of yelling at me? I see you're a little excited, okay? So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
I know. But people are worried and calling about you.
And this is where my hands are talking. Why aren't they helping me? They need gas. I'm trying. I put two together. It's fucking easy.
Why are you yelling at us?
When you're acting like this, people don't really want to come find out what's going on. That's why they call us to see.
If they would listen to me, they know what's going on.
Well, you're out here screaming and flailing your arms. You're kind of freaking people out. So
Well, listen to me, and then I won't freak you out while
Well,
you know what's going on with me. I'm kind of upset. I wonder why.
Why are you upset? What's going on?
Gas.
What about the gas?
Gas.
What about it?
It's not even for me.
So then why do you need it?
To get out to somebody's boat with them.
Oh, okay. Do you have money?
It's like $2. $2. 2 pieces of paper.
Stop yelling at me.
I'm not trying to yell.
Alright. You have money to pay for gas?
No, I got 5 cents in my pocket. 5 cents. That I picked them off the ground. That I picked them off the ground.
but you want to ask people to help, and then you're screaming.
I did down there, and they told me I couldn't do that.
Yeah, you
They
can't.
kicked me out of it.
In Key West, you can't ask people for money. That's
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
You'd rather have me come and
Relax.
fucking laugh.
Stop.
I'm not trying to do that. I'm not.
Stop.
But you'd rather have me rob you
Stop.
or steal from the store.
Because what's going to happen if you do that again is I'm going to put you in handcuffs. So let's
Oh,
not do that.
I
Go
don't
ahead and
mean
take a
to.
seat for me.
I don't mean
Go
to.
ahead and take a seat for me.
I'm sorry.
Go ahead and take
You
a seat.
helped me with somebody trying to rape me, but you won't help me with stopping with the cat.
Do you have any friends that you could...
Ah!
Where are you staying at?
That's why I wanted gas to get to his boat. So I can stay on his boat with him. $2. $2.
$2?
Well, how much is this little thing to get?
Looks like it's like a
$2.
gallon, so maybe like
more than $2.
$4.
Okay. Still not much. Still not much.
What's your name, dear?
Ma'am.
Let me catch my breath, please. I'm trying to calm down.
Okay.
No worries.
The only way I know to do that is to breathe.
As to what?
I'd rather not breathe.
Why don't you want to breathe?
Because I don't even want to be here. I don't want to be here. What do you think? What do you think?
Okay, so do you want to go to a boat?
This ain't life. This ain't living.
You're right, it's not.
I'm surviving, but I ain't living.
Okay. So what's your name again, dear?
$4? So what? $4?
So what's your name, dear?
Does that matter?
Yeah.
What?
Because we got a call that you're acting erratic.
I wonder why. You know what? I can't wait till these people are in position. Any one of you, any person in my position, right here, right now.
What's your name?
And see if they're not neurotic, trusting only in the
What's
Lord.
your name? Simple question. His name, birthday.
I am.
Your name's I am?
Yes, so I am.
Okay.
I am. I'm here, and I don't know why I'm here. I am.
You are. I am. That's your name. That's what you're going with.
Yep. Today, I guess
am.
so. And I don't mean to be rude, and I don't mean to be any kind of way.
We're just trying to find out who you are.
It doesn't matter,
What is it?
but it shouldn't matter.
All it matters at this moment, just like me. They
And
call,
I'm not trying to be rude,
they
sir.
call me Ramos.
Ramos, I'm Cat.
Cat.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you, Cat.
And I'm not trying to be any kind of way.
Okay.
What do you do?
Police officer.
I pray.
No, you got a job.
I don't believe you're a person with no talents. I'm just trying to figure out what's
You're right,
going on.
I do have talent.
My point.
What are your talents?
Love, number
Love.
There
one.
you go.
Love, number one. The number one rule. Love is my number one talent.
Awesome. There's a lot of jobs that involve love.
Mom.
You're a mom?
5 children, 4 grandchildren.
Nice.
Okay. So, Kat, what's your last name, Kat?
But there's no O or D because I don't stand for oppression or violence.
Okay, so that last name, what is it?
There's no O or V between the L and E because I don't stand for oppression or violence.
Awesome.
I've asked God, I said, you don't want me to just go grab some gas and
I
run?
think so.
He doesn't want me to do that.
You want to hurt yourself
That's
at all,
wrong.
ma'am?
No.
No?
I don't want to live, but no, I don't want to hurt myself.
Okay, so you don't want to live.
You know what? Because I'm waiting to go home, or go home to my family. I'm in the in between.
Okay.
But no, I don't want to die. But I don't want to live either. Whatever that tells
Do
you.
you want
If
to...
you-
Listen to me really quickly. Do you want to go to...
To answer my
Listen to
fucking
me.
prayer.
Listen to me. I'm talking.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Do you want to go to Depew so maybe they can try to get you some help or the hospital?
No. I know, but I was finishing my sentence.
I was talking first. It's
You
all
asked
right.
me a
That's in the
question.
past.
If
Listen.
you not ask me a question, I
Listen.
finished my
Okay. So you can either come with me voluntarily, or we can stand up and I can put you in handcuffs and do this whole shebang.
Why?
Look, we're going to the hospital one
Why?
way. Listen.
You're
You're
not
not letting me
trusting him?
talk.
No, Kat.
You're not letting me talk either.
Because I'm speaking
You asked
first.
me a question. I'm answering my question. You don't let me finish my
Okay.
question.
Do you want to come with me voluntarily, or do you want to do this with maybe a little
I
bit of
didn't even
force?
grab my phone. I can't even call the people who are waiting on me to bring them back the gas.
Voluntarily?
Take me to their phone.
You're doing a lot of yelling. We came out here to
What
find
do
out. All right. Kat, put your arms behind your back for me. Thank you so much.
This is your love.
The hospital, okay, Kat?
I love you. This is your love. This is your love.
I'm gonna take this
your
from you.
love.
Thank you.
Go ahead.
All right.
I really-
Up. All right. There you go. So look.
This is your love. All I want to do is go home to their
I want
boat.
to tighten it up a little bit.
All I want to do is go home to their boat. Florida Island
know,
people.
but
No,
Kat,
you don't know.
Kat.
You don't. I want you to put me in
That's not
custody.
what we're putting you in handcuffs for. You're acting real erratic right
I
now.
wonder why.
We've tried to talk
Have
to you
you been in
numerous
this?
times.
Have you been in
We've
this?
tried to talk to you numerous times.
And you
keep
won't let me
jumping
talk.
around.
And you
You're
won't let me
flailing
talk.
your arms. You're not
And you won't
identifying
let-
yourself. So we're gonna get you
I
somewhere where
did.
they're gonna find what.
I gave you my name and my last name.
What is it, Kat? What? You see how you've calmed down as soon as you put handcuffs on? That's what we didn't want to do. But now you're calm, and now we're gonna talk through some things, okay?
But why don't you listen?
You weren't letting us
No,
talk,
you weren't
and
listening
you wanted to
to us.
talk over us,
But
and
you-
we're trying to explain things.
but you also
now we're getting somewhere. Let's go to my partner's car right here. We're gonna see about getting you some help, okay? Kat, come on,
was
come
all I
on.
needed. $4.
Kat, do you have anything you
You
need?
know
to
you could
talk
help
about?
me. If you really wanted to help me, you'd give me the $4 for the gas.
You're right,
Or
Kat,
fill
but
that gas
we don't
tank.
do that as a QS police
No, I know.
department.
All you do is throw people in jail.
I don't want to throw you.
You
You're
make
not
money.
going to jail.
Then why am I here in handcuffs?
Because we think that you're having some type of a breakdown or having some type of... So we're going to get you some help that's further out of our scope, okay,
That's
Kat?
up there. That's up there.
Oh, you're right, but it's out of my scope of work and out of my profession, so we're going to get you
That's
somewhere
right.
else.
It's on everybody's
You're
except
right.
for his.
Hey, do you want to call 83? I know she's on the traffic stop. To pat her down or search her.
I might have a one-hitter on me.
Oh, you might have a one-hitter on you. Okay.
All I'm doing is trusting you.
Okay.
Look at my tattoos.
I got you.
Look at my tattoos.
What do you have right here, dear?
That's probably my vape.
That's your vape? Okay, I'm just making sure it's not a knife or nothing, okay? You don't have any knives or any
No.
needles or anything like that
No,
on
no,
you,
no,
do
no,
you?
no, no.
Are you sure, Kat?
Yes, yes.
I don't want to get
I
poked at.
told you what I had.
Okay, you're the one hitter. Okay, fair enough. Right, you see that officer? She's gonna pat you down,
Good
okay?
evening, Officer Roman. All right, couple of things. Do you have anything on you?
A one-hitter.
Okay, where is that at?
One in my pocket's probably my right.
Okay. Anything that's gonna poke or stab me,
No, no,
stick
no,
me,
no, no,
nothing, right? Okay, I will not be happy.
There you go, Kat. See?
I'm not trying to be belligerent. I'm not trying to be anything but. Yep, that's it. I told you. I thought it was my right pocket.
Yeah, but she's got to make sure, okay?
Yeah, because last thing I want to do is get poked by anything, right?
Right.
That's Been there, done
I don't
that.
like needles. I don't even like getting a shot.
I know, but
When
I
they
don't know
when
you.
they got you, I tell them don't count to 3 and tell me when you're gonna do it. I look away and just tell you.
They just let it. I got you.
Just
Well, I'm
please
not
do
a
it.
needle person.
Yeah, neither am I. How'd you get tattoos if you don't like needles?
That's a good question.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
That is a very.
See, now we're talking.
That's
All right.
a very, very
I
good
know,
question.
I know.
Kathryn.
Spell it.
Kathryn.
You have an ID out of Florida, man?
No.
I'm gonna hold on to that.
Yeah,
Let me just-
Wisconsin.
Wisconsin.
You said cat, right?
K8. Kathryn, yes, but I go by Kat.
Cat, nothing in your bra?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot I picked up that aluminum foil.
All right.
That
Do me
should
a
be
favor.
that really should be
I'm gonna have
everything.
you kick your shoes off for me.
No problem. That's why I love doing. That's why I love doing it where you don't have to.
Yeah, that's fine. Do me a favor.
Yes.
Can you lift up this foot for me?
Yep.
I got you.
Oh, I'm not.
All right.
Don't worry, I'm not worried.
Switch the other one? Yeah, okay. Can you
Correct.
bump her over to your right, please? Yep. Thank you.
Not understand the passion of trusting in him and then being treated like this. For $4. $4. I've only got a nickel in it. Did you find a nickel, ma'am?
A nickel?
Yeah, there should have been a nickel in my pocket.
A nickel? We'll look. I didn't find it.
Yes, you did.
Did you?
Yes, you did. I should be in the right one.
Nah, I didn't see a nickel in there, but we'll try. Is it like a...
I picked up a nickel. There should be a nickel.
You have both of your pockets?
I don't know.
No nickel in there?
I picked up a nickel. Maybe it's in one. Well, you can't check the back pocket. I see the Lord even had me lose my nickel.
Oh, man. That's not good.
My last nickel.
Your last one. You'll find more.
And all I wanted was a couple dollars.
Are you
for
able? I'm going to
gas
kick
that
these
was in-
down.
You want to put those on?
Pardon?
Slide your feet
Oh,
back
yes,
in.
You don't have
please.
you out here in socks.
Yes, please. Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right, open your mouth for me. Stick your tongue up. Okay. Perfect. Nothing around here. You're good.
No, I'm gonna get a mohawk and then you won't have to check that.
Oh, I'll still have to check it.
Cat, just sit here for a second.
Warrior
We'll keep
princess.
talking.
Yes, princess.
He is. He's a prince. Just go ahead and
No
sit in here,
problem.
okay? And we'll keep talking in a second.
I just gotta knock
I
on
just
my
gotta talk
friend.
to my partner real quick.
No problem.
All right, thanks, Cat.
You got your ink bar on?
Yeah, hold on. To the store.
Why? Out of all the millions of people, that many are really against you. What am I receiving?
So it's most likely it's going to be a .001 for weight. And then move your head in. So. Should be good just this little bit here.